We'll guide you through how to make a Google Docs spreadsheet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so the iPhone has an auto screen rotation feature. Let's go and say you're on a website or maybe an app and you want to be able to go and rotate it because you prefer maybe trying to watch a video like that or just go and navigate a web page. It can be easier sometimes and you rotate it and it's not. To get started, come to the top right and drag down on the battery to open the control center. Now in the control center, we're looking for this icon here. It's a padlock. So at the moment, this is sort of lit up and it's glowing red or orange. This indicates the portrait lock is currently enabled. So auto rotate is disabled. So if you want to go and enable auto rotate, tap on it and it'll then go and say off, and that indicates the lock's off, and now it's going to auto rotate. To go and disable auto rotate, you can go and tap it to turn it on. Now with that off, you can go and see I can now go and rotate it. It's that simple.